मॉर्निंग. विशेष गेस्टाचे आगमन जाल्लें आसा.
इष्टदेवताभ्यो नमः, कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः, ग्रामदेवताभ्यो नमः, स्थानदेवताभ्यो नमः, वासुदेवताभ्यो नमः, आदित्यादिनवग्रहदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः.
Honored to have with us our chief guest, Honorable MLA Sri Gomantak sir, our guest of honor SP Tikam Singh Verma sir, our STPO Sri Shivram Maimankar sir, Depot Manager of KTC Girish Gowde, PF Molda Sri Mohan Gowde sir, Sarpanch of Pilpi Khandola Srimati Shraddha Patel, Sarpanch of Sivre Vargam Sri Sita Amre. I welcome all the dignitaries for today's function. I also welcome Punch member of both the panchayats, member of press and staff of Margal Police Station and citizens. Since 2001, Marcel Outpost was functioning from rented premises of Radhakant Bhatt. While that building served its purpose but and holds many memories. Today we are inaugurating these premises, but it is important to acknowledge how we got here. We owe a huge debt of gratitude to our Honorable MLA, who fearlessly raised this issue on the floor of State Assembly, that the government recognized the urgency, sanctioned the necessary approval, and made this new Marcel Outpost premises available. On behalf of Goa Police, I express deepest appreciation for your unwavering commitment and vision for the people. Thank you, sir. I also thank KTC for incorporating the concept of police outpost while constructing this Marcel bus stand and providing the same to us without any rent. Thank you, sir. At the same time, turning that legislative approval into reality on ground requires constant vision and execution. I am deeply grateful to our SP sir, SDPO sir, and all the senior officers whose relentless guidance, administrative support, and active supervision ensured that we enter these premises without any delay. Today marks a fresh chapter. This new building is not just a structure but represents Goa Police growing commitment to community safety, efficient service, and accessible justice for every citizen in the area. This new premises is located in the heart of Marcel and easily accessible by everyone as it is situated on the bus stand. This also provides officers and staff who are deployed here a better, well-equipped workplace so they can perform their duties efficiently.
Members of the press and common citizens present, very good morning to all. At the very outset, I would like to thank the guidance and the initiative taken by the MLA Sri Gowde sir and the initiative of the KTC to provide us the space for running the outpost, which is an essential part of police functioning in the grassroots level. The importance of outpost is such that because it is the last mile connectivity of the police with the citizens. So, as mentioned by PI Madhav, this has been running since 2001 on rented premises, and this had the police department had to bear a lot of cost in running the outpost, and because of the new building, new premises, now it will give new sense of commitment from the police side in serving the members of the public. So once again, I really thank all the stakeholders who have really worked hard to make this come into reality. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much.